welcome back to my channel, and yes, I am bringing you guys my Target haul. My Target haul was awesome. I think I did awesome. I liked Target this week than I did with Walmart for the Ibotta hauls and rebates. I think I did pretty good, and I actually got some decent stuff. I got stuff that I never got before, so I am pretty excited to share my deals that I got at Target. Now, as you guys do know, I order my inserts. I order my inserts from a group called a Facebook group called Saving Money. There just ends up being cheaper for me because of my area, and plus I like to show you guys more deals. I'm jealous of some of you guys that get these coupons, but it's actually cheaper doing it this way than ordering inserts depending on where you go. But if you guys can get inserts on Saturdays, those are usually the cheapest place to get them, is on Saturdays. But I'm here to show you guys what I got. So I did 2 transactions because the Chic coupons only let you use 2 per transaction. So I did 1 transaction and then I did a second one because I wanted to take advantage of this money maker. So the first deal that you guys definitely need to do, and check your stores and see if they have them. I checked mine. Is this Mentos shareable? There's 125 mints in here. They're individually wrapped. These are regular price for $4.99. There is a deal on Cartwheel. If you guys are not sure what Cartwheel is, majority of you guys do. Benjamin, shh. Cartwheel is the Target app where you guys can get special coupons. So you guys can look at the deals on there. You guys can get coupons and Target coupons, and you guys can combine those with manufacturer coupons, so it's a double whammy. So the Mentos were $4.99. There is a 50% off deal going on Cartwheel. You guys would just pay $2.49 for this, but then you guys can check out 51, and there is a $2 rebate on that app. Oh, here they look like that. I didn't even know they had a clear thing. So you guys submit that. You guys will get $2 back, making this giant bag 49 cents. It does say it's a limit of 4. I took full advantage of it, and I'm hoping this deal resets on Thursday for checkout 51, so I can do this deal again because this is a great deal. My husband can always take these, and they're just great to have little on the go. My store only had 3, so I took 3 of them. So 49 cents a pack for these I think is awesome. Even if you guys wanted to save these for Halloween, you guys could do that. They don't expire till like 2020, so that is a great deal. I could not pass that up. I ended up getting the dime tap. Now I think it's $5.82 at Walmart. Last time I checked, I'm not sure. But this was $5.79 at Target. I used that $2 off coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. You guys would pay $3.79 for this. But then you can submit a $2.50 rebate on Ibotta. Plus, I also had a $2 rebate that popped up on Saving Star yesterday morning. So this ends up becoming a 71-cent moneymaker. I am like swimming in dime tap, and my kid can't take it yet. So I've been giving it to people who I know whose kids can. So 71-cent moneymaker on dime tap. Yeah. The next deal I did is the Chic razors. Now, if you guys are going to do 2 separate transactions, this is what I recommend you doing. If you're going to buy men's or women's, make sure you buy the women's together and the men's together, because then when you submit your receipt, you can do both of them at the same time. So I'm just letting you guys know that. So these are $5.99. I got the Quattro Chic razors, and then they had another pair of razors, but I got these because I thought these are pretty decent. You get 15 razors for free. So $5.99. You guys want to use 2 $3 off coupons that we just got, I think, 2 weeks ago. You guys would end up paying $5.98 for 2 of them. But then you guys will end up, for buying 2 of them, you guys get a $5 gift card. Isn't that awesome? So you guys would get a $5 gift card, plus you guys can submit a $1 rebate for men's razors times 2, or a $1 rebate for women's razors times 2. So there's 2 different rebates. I would do 2 separate transactions. Just make sure you buy the women's together and the men's together in both of those separate transactions. So these become a $1.02 money maker. How awesome is that? So I ended up just using the gift card I got from the one transaction and used it for the second transaction. So all these razors are for free. I love it. I was gonna do the Aussie deal, but like I said, my coupons didn't come in, and I really wanted to do that deal. I think it's $2.99. You use a coupon, you guys can get $1 or something back on Ibotta. I didn't really write it down because I didn't get the coupons. I was gonna do the pull-ups deal, but when I got to my store was not tagged. I scanned the items, nothing popped up for a $5 or $10 gift card, so I didn't do that. So there's some disappointment, but that's okay. I'm not like truly heartbroken over it. So the next deal I got is I got the Sour Punch rainbow straws. These were $1. It's over in the candy aisle in the store. Benjamin, don't break that, sweetie. So this was, you guys can also get 20% off Cartwheel for the Sour Punch brand. So you guys would just pay 80 cents for this, but then you can submit a 55-cent rebate on Ibotta times 3, making this just 25 cents a piece, and I think this is a great deal. I've been eating the blueberry or the blue raspberry ones when I have them, and they taste pretty good, but this has strawberry, green apple, blue raspberry, and lemon, so couldn't pass that deal. You guys can also get the bigger ones, but it's not as cheap, so couldn't pass up candy. Next deal I got is the red vines. I absolutely love red vines. I very seldomly ever eat them, but they're always fresh to me. These were also $1. There is no cartwheel for this, but so you guys would end up paying $1, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 50 cents, which I think is an awesome deal. You guys can also do this deal 3 times, so couldn't go wrong with those. I love having like little candies all the time. I ended up getting the Kleenex wipes. Now, you guys might have this deal in Checkout 51, but since Checkout 51 and Savings Star are kind of combined now, it's like one or the other. So I usually just add it to my Savings Star account. It's just a little bit easier, which also kind of sucks because sometimes Checkout 51 repeats itself. So these were $1.49. They're wet wipes. This one's sensitive and this one's germ removal. It's kind of like baby wipes, but more sophisticated. So you guys would just pay $2.98 for both of these. You guys can either submit a $2 rebate on Checkout 51 or a $2 rebate on Savings Star. It just depends on what deal you guys have. I would do Checkout 51 if I were you, but mine, I have to do Savings Star. So these come out to be just 98 cents for both of these, or 49 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal for like wipes. And these, I like the little holder on them, and these are great to have in the car if you guys ever need wipes or just in your purse. So we got that. So I went crazy with the drinks. I mean, as you guys can see, I went crazy. So it was nice this time. Every time I submit my drinks, they like double. So I ended up taking one off to make it even. I felt better doing it that way. So I ended up getting the Suja Organic kombucha drink. Now this was on sale for $2.50. There is no cartwheel offer for it, but there are coupons that just popped up on mambosprouts.com. Print those off, print them, because I don't know how long those coupons will be available for. So it said off of any Suja beverage, so I had a problem with it working at the register, but she just overrode it. So I used that $1 off coupon from mambosprouts.com. You guys would just pay $1.50 for this, but then you can submit a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 75 cents, which is a great deal for drinks. I did the Suja Berry Goodness. Now this was $3.49. Now after I went to Walmart, I found out that these are actually cheaper at Walmart. So it's up to you guys what you guys want to do on this. But this was $3.49. There's a 15% off deal on Cartwheel. You guys also want to use that $1 off coupon. Now the coupon lets you use 2 per transaction. So you guys would pay $1.96 for this. Then you guys can submit a 95-cent rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just $1.01. Not the greatest deal, but hey, can't go wrong with that. My husband's excited to try these. I asked him what flavors he wanted while I was shopping, and he's like, well, are you going to get more of them in the future? I'm like, we'll see. So these are $2.99. There is a 30% off deal on Cartwheel. The same thing with the Kavita Master Brew Kombucha. So both of these are $2.99. There's that 30% off deal on Cartwheel. You guys would end up paying $2.09 a piece for these, but then you guys can submit a $1.15 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for these just 94 cents, which I think is great. Getting healthier drinks pretty much at the same price as like soda or whatever. So could not pass that deal up. And then I think the last item I got is the Oreo O's. I have not tried these. I should try them because we like Oreos, and why not, Benjamin? No. So these are $2.99. There is a 25% off deal on Cartwheel. Plus you guys want to use a 50-cent coupon that is available on coupons.com. You guys would just pay, Benjamin, don't do that. You guys would just pay $1.74 for this box, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta. Now, I do think there is a different rebate for everybody. I don't know why they do that, but I got 50 cents. So I got this box for $1.24. It's a great deal, you know, pretty much, you know, more than half off. So I'm definitely excited to try that. So that was my Target haul. Between both transactions, it came to $40.98. I think I did pretty good. I got a lot of stuff that I've never gotten before. So I ended up getting 2 $5 gift cards back through the razors. I got $14.40 back with Ibotta. I got $6 back with Checkout 51. And then I got $4 back with Saving Star. That comes out to be $6.58. I got, what is that? I got, sorry, my kid has pink hands. I got 31 items for $6.58. That comes out to be 21 cents a piece. No, I said that wrong. It comes out to be 31 cents a piece. I got 21 items for 31 cents a piece. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. I mean, candy for 31 cents, cereal, even some drinks for 31 cents. But if you guys enjoyed this awesome Target Ibotta haul, please give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it. And I might go back. I keep saying I might, but I might go back to Target and do a couple more deals. And if I do, it might be just a whole whammy of different deals. So stay tuned for that. But you guys know what to do. Subscribe, like, and comment below what your guys' favorite deal is. And I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.